Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to install bed extender bracket for 2nd gen Tacoma and 3rd gen Tacoma. I bought my bracket set from Amazon.com, and if you bought your bed extender or will buy bed extender from Toyota, it should come with the bed extender brackets. The bed extender that I will be using today, it came off of 2013 Tacoma, and I will be installing and using on my 2020 Tacoma. So let's get started, guys. I'll be showing you guys how to install bed extender bracket. Tools that I will be using today is impact driver, step up drill bit, 8mm socket, 10mm socket, 3mm Allen key, and ratchet. So the first thing you guys need to do is to remove both tail lights. Before removing my taillight, I like to apply masking tape around my taillights to not damage my truck paint or scratch. So you guys need to remove this bolt and the upper one. Pull the taillights towards you. There should be 2 clips on the taillight. Either you can put your taillight on your tailgate or remove the light bulbs, just like that. Before we go further, let me tell you guys about the template that I'm using today on my 2020 Tacoma. I found this template online, and it's for 2012 Tacoma, and it can be used for 2nd gen Tacoma and the 3rd gen, and I'm using the 2012 template on my 2020 Tacoma, and I'm gonna leave the link below in description. So when you guys download this template, before doing anything, make sure the bracket you guys have aligns with the holes on the template, just like this. So when you download the template, there should be left side and the right side. So I'm gonna start drilling from the left side. So you need to fold or cut the paper from the edges. I like to fold it, it's easier. I like to apply masking tape on the area where I'm gonna drill. So the reason I do that the drill bit won't slip much. So the next step I will do is align my template to the D pillar. So make sure again that your bracket matches the template hole. And I forgot to mention that you guys will need a center punch as well. So you have to use a center punch to punch holes through the template, and just like that on all 3 of them. Make sure you guys do it a couple times so there's a mark and indent on the D pillar. Just a quick note, guys, if you're gonna drill a hole by yourself, make sure you guys are really careful. If you're not being careful, you can damage your truck or scratch your truck. So if you're the first timer, make sure you start with the small drill bit, for example 3mm, and then move your way up to the stud size. Make sure you keep checking if the stud fits the hole. Don't go bigger than the stud, otherwise you will damage your vehicle. So be very careful. So now I'm gonna start drilling. You guys can watch and I will stop talking. So when you drill the first hole, so make sure you put your bracket on the first hole and make sure all the punch mark, center punch mark matches the bracket before drilling the second hole. So make sure every hole you drill, make sure the bracket lines up. That's the main part. So make sure, guys, the hole that you drill, the bolt goes through the hole. If hole is too small, make sure go one step up. Don't go too big. You may damage your vehicle. So the reason I put both bolts on, to just make sure the third hole, the center punch mark that I made earlier, matches the bracket. Just to make sure that the hole lines up, and it does. So after drilling all three holes, you can put your bracket on now. Put bolt on one side, and then the other side you're gonna put 8mm nut that came with the bracket set. So do the same exact thing on the passenger side, and the template that you guys gonna use will have the passenger side template as well on this in the same link.
If you guys can clean this off, it will be good, but don't cut your hand.
Well, after putting both brackets on, now you're gonna use a 3mm Allen key and 8mm socket to tight all 6 bolts on both bed extender brackets. So now put everything back together. So let's test the bed extender bracket by installing the bed extender. To install, make sure you slide it from the top and it will lock in place. This is the latch. To release, just pull the latch and it will release. And now it's locked. To release again, just pull that latch. So some of you may not know the use of the bed extender. If you rotate the bed extender outwards, you're gonna extend your bed by 2 feet, and if you're gonna rotate the bed extender inwards, you can put your groceries, small stuff that you don't want to roll back and forth in your truck bed. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please, if you like the video, subscribe to my channel to help me out. If you guys have any question, leave the comment below and I will get back to you guys. Thanks again for watching my video. Thank you.